Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're featuring the incredible 2026 Yamaha AR250, featured in the black hull design with the incredible gray interior. Come on board and we'll take a look at some more of the features. All right, starting in the back here, beautifully spacious swim platform here. Lovely seating area that are covering your jet ports, your clean out ports. We've got cup holders and sounds throughout. Also, a remote back here to adjust those sounds when you're not using Bluetooth. We even have a mount for your table. So an optional table could slide in there, making everything incredibly comfortable. Now, before we head into the cockpit, some additional storage right here on both sides. That is wet storage, so perfect for shoes or any of those beverages. So now moving forward into the cockpit, you can see this unbelievable seating area, this U-shaped design, very, very social design that Yamaha's put out for us. Cushions are extremely comfortable. Now let's look at some of the storage options. Plenty of space in here. We've got our dual battery switch on and off board, keeping those going. Additional storage here on our starboard side. Portable cooler. And the sound system in this boat is amazing. You're gonna see speakers. I'm not gonna point them all out, but they are throughout this boat. As we come over here, we've got our co-pilot's, co-captain's chair here. Swivel design on this, making this incredibly social. Again, we've got our glove box here with additional storage, cup holders, and your non-stick sea deck here to hold all the phones in place. Now, as we come over here to the helm, we've got our adjustable captain's chair, armrests, flip up bolster for those shorter individuals like myself. We've got our dual throttle, which is perfect for your fly-by-wire throttle system, going in conjunction with your 1.9 liter high output dual engines that Yamaha's put out. Incredibly fun, incredibly powerful. We've got our wireless phone charging system. We've got our 7.5-inch Connext display that's going to go over all of the features from your gas and so on. We'll go over all of those features when you come on in for the test drive. Huge in-floor storage area here, so perfect for skis, covers, life jackets. Another incredibly large storage area is going to be right here. Could be used as a porta potty space or just basic storage. One more storage component here we're going to go over. So now this area can be sealed off for those colder days. Now you've got everything. It's going to limit the breeze that's coming through that cockpit area. Now moving forward to the bow, we've got our large anchor locker here with ladder. All of the MarineMax boats will come outfitted with an anchor. Plenty of storage throughout here, incredibly comfortable seating on this boat. It's really a lot of fun. It's got everything that you need in a boat, nothing that you don't need. Perfect for families, friends, anything that you'd like to do. I appreciate you joining me this afternoon. Again, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie, and this has been the 2026 Yamaha AR250.